In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make bold text on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's really easy to do. First thing you're going to want to do is you just want to go over to the settings option, and when you're on settings, all you do is you want to scroll down to the option that is called display and brightness. It's like not display and brightness, you just want to click on display and brightness, yeah. And once you click on that, you just want to scroll to the bottom where you click on display zoom at the very bottom. You click on that, and you can actually choose the larger or smaller text, but if you want to change it to bold or not, you just toggle this on option right here. As you can see, it changes it to bold in the second or not. And yeah, that's how you change it to bold or not. If you can change the text size, you can always just click on text size right here and adjust it like so, and that will change the text size on your phone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your text keyboard actually bigger. As you can see, currently, right now, it is not very big. And if you just want to make it bigger, all you need to do is you actually just want to go to the App Store. Not even the App Store, just go to Settings, and actually scroll down to the option that is called display and brightness right here. When you click on that, you can actually choose the text size just by clicking on this. This will change the text size in messages like so, but it will not actually change the actual keyboard size. If you want to change the keyboard size like so, I'm just going to leave this on extra small just to show you that it works. That's how you change the text size. If you change the keyboard size, you scroll to the bottom and you want to click on display zoom option. You can actually choose large text, and if we go to the keyboard now, we'll actually make it bigger. It may take a few seconds to load, but click on large text and then you click on done up here. Click on use zoomed, and then it will take a few seconds to load, but we'll basically turn back on completely now. And if we go back to our messages, you can actually see our keyboard is a lot bigger. Now, that is basically how you make the keyboard bigger on this nice new iPhone 16 right here.